24 over 4 plus root 12 over 2 is equal to question mark. Here root 24 we can write it as root 4 times root 6 over 4. Root 12 we can write it as root 4 times root 3 over 2. We know the value of the root 4 to root 6 as it is over 4 plus root 4 value to root 3 as it is over 2. You have to take the LCM, divide, multiply and divide by 2. 2 root 6 over 4 plus 2 times 2, 4 root 3 over 4. Here denominator same number, you have to take only one 4. 2 root 6 plus 4 root 3 is equal to, take 2 as a common factor, root 6 plus 2 root 3 over 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Therefore answer root 6 plus 2 root 3 over 2 is our answer. Thank you for watching.